In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Shopify to Cash App. What we're really doing here is setting up Cash App as a custom payment method inside your Shopify store. That way, your customers can pay you using Cash App, and then you'll receive those funds directly in your Cash App account. From there, you can move the money wherever you like. I'll walk you through each click so you can follow along on your own screen. First, log into your Shopify admin and go to your main Shopify dashboard. This is the home screen where you normally see your orders, analytics, and recent activity. From the dashboard, look for the menu on the left-hand side and click on Settings at the bottom. This is where Shopify keeps all the options that control how your store works behind the scenes. Inside the settings page, find and click on Payments. The Payments section is where you manage how customers can pay you at checkout. Now, click on Add Payment Method. Shopify will show you a list of available gateways you can connect with your store. In the search bar that appears, type in Cash App. In many regions, you'll see that Cash App does not appear as a built-in payment option. If it's not available for you either, don't worry. We can still accept Cash App by setting it up as a manual payment method. To do that, stay in the payment settings or click Payments again if you navigated away. Next, scroll to the payment capture section and choose to capture payments manually. This gives you control to confirm payments yourself after a customer checks out. Then look for the manual payment methods area and click on Add Manual Payment Method. This lets you add options like bank deposits, cash on delivery, or in our case, Cash App. From the options, select Create Custom Payment Method. This is what allows you to name and describe your own method. In the Custom Payment Method name field, type Cash App. This is exactly how it will appear to your customers at checkout. Next, in the Additional Details field, add a short description of what this payment method is. For example, you might explain that customers can pay using Cash App and that you'll confirm payment before processing the order. Then, in the Payment Instructions field, clearly explain what your customers need to do. For instance, you can include your Cash App cash tag and tell them to send the exact order total, then upload or send proof of payment. Once you're happy with the name, details, and instructions, click on Activate. Your custom Cash App payment method will now be live and available for customers to choose at checkout.